Hello guys, so now I'll speak about the trail. Okay, so first of all, you have to pay attention to what happened when we hit profit one. So when we hit profit one, you can see that position start trailing becomes true. That's very important. Okay, so our trailing, let's see where our trailing. Oh, did I forget to put in the trailing? Okay, so the trailing part, and now first thing, it executes on market data, so it's an on tick trail inside an on bar close strategy. So if you also want, and obviously this method will not execute historically on bar close, but you can see the trail accepts price as an input. So basically all you got to do for trail to also execute on bar close is voila. And okay, but I don't like historical trails because they tend to bring in stop order rejections and all that stuff, so I'll keep that off. Okay, I want to show you how the logic is done. So on market data, when we get all those ticks, if we get the updated, if the market data update equals last, we pass the last price to our trail. Okay, so first of all, if we're flat, we don't want to do anything. If our trail is off, we don't want to do anything. Okay, so next, what we want to do is, it's very simple. We go to the list of our positions and we select all positions that are open and the start trailing boolean inside that position is true. Remember we said it when we hit our first profit target? Okay, and then for our position list, for each position in our position list, okay, so first of all, if our stop order is null for some reason, which can occur, we want to continue, which means we want to skip this particular iteration of the for loop to the next one. Okay, now, and then we look, and this is where we want to know if it's long or short. So if it's long, so we calculate our new stop. Our new stop equals price minus trail size multiplied by tick size. If our new stop is bigger than our current exit stop order stop price, okay, we change the stop exit order the same way that we did before. So it's the same method. We pass the position, we pass the new, the quantity is going to be the same as the existing position, but we pass the new stop value. Now, if you want to know what this is, you have to go into my channel and you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe to my Telegram as well, and I'll show you stop orders getting rejected NinjaTrader cure for life. Okay, it's like a 5-minute video, but just watch it. It explains exactly what this is. It's done so your stop orders won't get rejected. Okay, just watch that. You'll understand. It describes that in big detail, and it's a much better video than I can probably do now because I did it when I created it, and it makes much better sense. So basically the stop has to be above the bid, sorry, below the bid in order for it not to be rejected. And if you have accidentally set it above the bid, your calculation doesn't know the bid, so it can happen. It'll get rejected and you'll get in trouble, right? So you want to place it below the bid by 1 tick size or equaling to the bid, but that means you'll get filled straight away. So you actually want to place it away from the bid, and we're actually placing it away from the bid by the trail size in this case. Okay, and that's about all. If that's passed, okay, we pass the new stop to change the trail. Okay, and that's how we are able. So in this case, we're able to change the stop and trail it for each particular position individually. Okay, so we're managing the trail stop for our each of our positions. Okay. Okay, guys. Hope this made sense. Thank you.